Starting off first with the latest coming in from India, where dust storm, rainfall and strong winds hit the northern parts of the country, bringing the mercury levels down. New Delhi, Gurugram and Noida witnessed a sudden change of weather on Sunday. According to the forecast by the Indian Met Department, on Saturday, the states of Uttarakhand, Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh were likely to witness thunderstorm accompanied with squall, while parts of Rajasthan would see dust storm over the next 2 days. Flight operations at New Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport have been put on hold due to the thunderstorms. Meanwhile, vehicular traffic and metro movement have been affected in several areas.
हमारे डायरेक्टर फाइनेंस आईपीटी सेल के